Good afternoon, K students. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's lesson in science is how can forecasts help us? And the objective of our lesson is to use information from text and images to think about ways to prepare for local severe weather. So, let's start. Do you remember our previous discussion on meteorologists? Well, let me remind you. A meteorologist is a weather scientist. Meteorologists use maps and other weather information to predict the weather. They prepare something called a weather forecast, which is a prediction of what the weather will be like. In a weather forecast, we will get information about temperature, wind, and precipitation. Now, let's move on to talk about the things that will help you during a severe weather like the tornado that we see in front of us. If the electricity went out, you will need a flashlight that will help you see. Remember, you may need to survive on your own after an emergency like this happens. So this means you should have your own food, water, and other supplies in sufficient quantity. You could also get hurt, so the first aid kit is of great importance. After our discussion on some of the objects needed for a severe weather safety kit, it is the time we move on to solve the following exercise on page 225 in our science book. And the question is, how would the things in the bag help you during severe weather? Circle the answer. So, will the objects in the bag keep you safe or make you laugh? Let's think about it. Well done! The things in the bag will keep you safe. So let's circle the first answer. Let's continue to solve our second exercise on page 226. And here, for the first part, we are asked to look at these two pictures and to circle the meteorologist giving a weather forecast. Great job! Let's circle the meteorologist on the right. Now, for the next part of this question, we are asked to look at this weather map and to draw a line under each symbol for rainy weather. Very good. Let's put a line under the first symbol, and let's put another line under the second symbol of a rainy weather. For our third exercise on page 227, we are asked to observe the kinds of weather in the months of January and July, and to circle the calendar that has more sunny days. So come on, let's count the sunny days symbols in both months. What do you think? Great job! Let's circle the month of July. In this month, we can see that we have 16 sunny days symbols, while in the month of January, we have only 3 sunny days symbols. Moving on to page 228 in our science book. And in this exercise, we can see a picture of a little girl and her father. This little girl's name is Maria. Maria wanted to know what the weather was going to be like, so She looked at a weather map to find out. And our question is to circle the part of the map that shows how Maria knew to take an umbrella. So what do you think? Excellent! Let's circle the rainy symbol on the map. Because their location on the map has the symbol for rainy weather, Maria had to hold an umbrella and wear a raincoat and rain boots. And now, for our final exercise on page 229, we are asked to look at these three pictures showing different technologies that communicate forecasts, and to circle the severe weather warning for a hurricane. So, which picture are we going to circle? Excellent job! Let's circle the third picture that shows a weather warning sent on television. Well, we didn't circle the pictures above because the first one is a tornado siren that gives off a loud warning sound, while the second picture shows a weather alert sent on a cell phone that shows a winter weather warning. Well done, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.